Hi, good morning. Welcome back. So today is Thursday. Thank God. Let's go ahead and get started with morning meeting, guys.
The Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. The Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible.
Days of the week. Today is Thursday. Yesterday was Wednesday. Tomorrow will be Friday. The month is May. What is a month? May. So today is Thursday, May the 7th, 2020. Say it with me. Today is Thursday, May 7th, 2020. The weather today is going to be partly sunny. I know it's been kind of raining, so we can also say it could be cloudy. Just depends because the weather changes a lot. The temperature is 90 degrees. It'll be in the 90s, guys. It's been getting hot lately. And our social skills. I hope you guys have been learning to not quit. Always keep pushing. Remember, stay active, drink a lot of water, and exercise. For our social skills lesson, what is another favorite Disney movie that you like? Mine would have to be Beauty and the Beast. Beauty and the Beast is one of my favorite as well. So for today, we'll be working on IEP goals and make sure you complete the other assignments. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know so that I can help you. Let's get started.